Welcome to AutoNerveX. Volkswagen just shocked the world. The legendary Karmann Ghia is back. But this isn't some retro reboot. It's a full electric Grand Tourer that blends 1960s elegance with bleeding-edge tech. Buckle up. We're about to show you how VW just reinvented automotive nostalgia. Design, timeless beauty, reborn. At first glance, you'll recognize those iconic flowing curves and low-slung profile that made the original a design legend. But look closer, the LED headlights. Hide behind vintage-inspired covers, the retractable rear spoiler emerges at speed, and the flush door handles give it a futuristic edge. The paint options, classic pearl white returns, alongside modern hues like quantum silver metallic, all with a self-healing clear coat. Powertrain, silent but deadly. Under that sculpted rear deck lies a dual-motor AWD system, pumping out 402 HP, nearly 10 times with the originals. Power. The B82 cable-tilted battery delivers 320 miles of range, while 800V architecture enables 15-minute 10-80% charges. But the real magic, Heritage Mode, a sound generator that mimics the original air-cooled flat fours purr through the speakers. Mo touches. Performance, grand touring redefined. Don't let the classic looks fool you. This is a corner-carving beast. Toast 60 Empire in 3.9 seconds, faster than a 911 Carrera. Rear-wheel steering for razor-sharp handling. A adaptive air suspension that lowers at speed. Carbon ceramic brakes, optional for track-ready stopping power. We pushed it through alpine passes. It's eerily quiet at 150 mph. Just a whisper of wind noise. Interior, vintage vibes, space-age tech. Slide into the hand-stitched leather cockpit and discover retro-style analog gauges that transform into a 30-inch AR HUD, sustainable wood trim from reforested walnut. Trees, hidden touchscreen that motors up from the dash like a modern Type 3. For zone climate control, with 860s mode, simulates drafty vintage airflow for authenticity. Juices change on tech and quirks. VW packed this icon with surprises. Solar roof trees adds 15 miles of range daily. AI co-pilot that learns your favorite driving roads. Front trunk fits 2 carry-ons, a first for a Ghia. Over-the-air updates as can add virtual engine sounds, Tipo 34 V8 anyone. Sucks, pricing and verdict. Starting at bar $89,990, the 2026 Karmann Ghia sits between a Taycan and an e-tron GT, but it's chic in a class of its own. The Tat Edition 1, with bespoke Italian leather, hits at £112,000. After testing it from Berlin to the Riviera, we declare, this is the most emotionally compelling EV ever made. It's not just fast, it's alive with soul. Thanks for watching AutoNerveX.